Welcome back. Now, for the purposes of this course, we're going to show that you don't need expensive equipment in order to create and manage your audio using Audacity. To create the additional audio, all you'll need is a headset, and this headset can even plug into the stereo ports of either an older PC or one of the newer ones that we'll be discussing. Now, if you are not in a soundproof environment, one added measure in order to cancel out some of the noise that might come through the mic while you're recording, you'll need a windscreen for your headset. And so this will fit over the end of the headset and block out some of the additional background sounds. An older Mac or PC will do the job for any Audacity recording. Now, one of the things that you'll notice about this particular PC is that there's only a headphone jack here at the side, and that means then that there is no mic jack going in. That could cause a problem if you're using the very simple mic that we suggested to you earlier in this video as well as earlier in the basic course. Now, if that's the case, you're going to need a device that plugs into the USB port that will allow you to use both the headset as well as any additional audio into your personal computer. Now, to do this, something expensive again is not going to be needed. You're looking at an external sound card, very old one that is very inexpensive, that allows you to do three things simultaneously. You notice then that there is a place here for a line in. That means that you can input audio into your personal computer while at the same time being able to listen as to what's coming out. This external sound card will also digitize the sound as it goes into your personal computer to increase the quality level. This is the very simple configuration that you can use with either the PC or the Mac that you'll see replicated here in the drop-down menu. You'll see the line in to the Exegy. You'll see the microphone through the Exegy. And you'll also see that we have the options existent within the personal computer itself. And you'll notice that the speakers can go through the audio Exegy also. So we have everything we need now in order to create audio on Audacity. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.